Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, classmates. This is my argumentative essay about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has become a significant issue in today's digital world, affecting individuals of all ages. Unlike traditional bullying, cyberbullying can occur at any time and place, making it a relentless threat. This pervasive issue requires urgent attention and comprehensive measures to protect victims and hold perpetrators accountable. The psychological and emotional impact of cyberbullying on victims is profound and long-lasting. Studies have shown that victims of cyberbullying are most likely to experience depression, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts. The persistent nature of online harassment means that victims can be targeted continuously, leading to severe emotional trauma. This highlights the need for effective support system and mental health resources to help those affected by cyberbullying. Social media platforms play a crucial role in the prevalence of cyberbullying. These platforms often lack adequate monitoring and enforcement of anti-bullying policies, allowing harmful behavior to go unchecked. High-profile cases have shown how cyberbullying can escalate quickly on social media, causing significant distress to victims. It is imperative that these platforms implement stricter policies and better monitoring to prevent cyberbullying and protect users. To combat cyberbullying effectively, a combination of legal and educational measures is essential. Existing laws need to be enforced more rigorously, and new legislation should be introduced to address the unique challenges of cyberbullying. Additionally, educational programs that raise awareness about the consequences of cyberbullying and teach empathy and digital citizenship can help prevent such behavior. By taking this step, society can work towards creating a safer online environment for everyone. That's all.